mistake.
There's something here.
Every word I try to choose, either way I'm gonna lose. Can you take the ache from my brain? Oh, you guys ask you away. You don't. He said, if I could turn back time, then I would rewrite those lines. Yeah, where's the good and goodbye? Where's the nice and nice dry? Where's the us and just gone? Where's the soul and soldier on? Now I'm alone, lonely, 'cause I don't own you only. I can take this mistake, but I can take the ache from heartbreak. No, I can take the ache from heartbreak. No, if I could turn back time, then I would rewrite those lines.
Song. Good job.
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Nice
Wow!
Hello,
Hello, sir. Ang pangalan mo?
Rock.
Rock!
Rock!
Bato!
Welcome to... Hindi, ka lang. Wala pa. Rock.
Hang on!
Rock. Simpleng tanong. Anong pangarap mo?
Nag-iipon ako ng pera para makabili ng sports car.
Sports car!
Maganda ngayon yung saraw.
I like this kid so much already. Now I'm really in love with you.
Grabe ka, Rock.
Yung mukha natin nag-iiba eh.
Grabe, napatayo ako sa galing mo eh. Lahat, yung face mo, kung paano ka tumayo, kung paano ka tumugtog ng gitara, kung paano ka kumanta dyan sa mikropono na yan. Professional na professional, para kang maliit na matanda eh. Ano yun?
Compliment yun. Tindig mo lang, parang naka-attach na sa'yo yung gitara mo. Parang you're playing it, hindi mo tinitignan, na talagang napaka-natural lang.
Ikaw pinaka-cool na nakita ko dito na yun eh. Liit-liit mong bata, nagigitara. Ang laki niyan para sa'yo. Rock! Paano yan? Mukhang bagay talaga tayo. Kailangan kita sa Camp Kawayan. At yung pangalan mo, Rock, ano ka ba?
Amazing!
English yan?
Ay, English? Napapa-English ako sa'yo, Rock!
It's amazing!
It's amazing!
Let me be the one, please!
The Rock. Sana ako'y piliin mo.
Gustong-gusto ko, pangarap ko, na maging part ka ng Team Sarah.
Itong coach na pipiliin ko, nakita ko yun sa TV. Yung coach na to ay si... Coach Sarah.
No need!
Are you okay?
Mukhang mahihirapan si Coach Sarah this season.
Pero S, totoo ba ito? Bakit ako ang gusto mo maging coach?
Sabi ni Papa,
Kayo pa lang may kasalanan at sumama kayo sa akin sa pasilyo.
Bakit daw?
sinabi ni Papa sa akin, maganda ka.
Oh!
Outside na kulambo ka ngayon, Chief. Yari ka.
Astig ka, man! Ang galing mo! Thank you. Super Rock! Welcome to Team Sarah!